It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is send them pictures on replay. Still run next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were.
I'ma get up so. Yeah, you won't capture my soul. I'ma get up so. Make you want one.
Hey guys, I'm Krista Amanda, and in today's video, I will be sharing essentials to pack with you for your accommodation stay, whether you're staying in a hotel, a villa, a loft, or a rental property. I'm currently visiting Curacao, and I decided to film a video on these essentials. And part of this video will be vlog style, so I'll be taking you around the loft and showing you how some of these essentials work. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, before I start with the first accommodation essential, some of these essentials are universal and can be used for many things. And the first one up is a carbon monoxide detector. Since it's just me traveling, I keep my carbon monoxide detector on my bed end table as close to me as possible. But if you're traveling as a group, you can leave the carbon monoxide detector in a central location of your accommodation stay. And the good thing about this carbon monoxide detector is that it already comes with 2 AA batteries. So all you have to do is pop the batteries in and you're good to go. Next up for accommodation essentials is bed bug spray. I recommend the first thing you do before unpacking is check for bed bugs, because if your bed has bed bugs, then clearly you're not going to be staying there. And I do this every time I travel. Before I unpack my bags, I check the bed for bed bugs. Here are a couple shots of me checking for bed bugs. This is me in the Dominican Republic, and this is me in Curacao. And I always wear disposable gloves when I'm checking for bed bugs. The third accommodation essentials are disinfectant wipes and disinfectant spray. This is me spraying throughout my loft because I don't know who was here before me. It could have been the cleaning people, it could have been a guest before me, someone could have been sick, someone could have had a cold, they could have been coughing all throughout here, and I wouldn't know. So to be precautious, spray throughout your hotel room, your villa, your loft, your rental property, wherever you're staying. Spray throughout the whole thing just to be safe. And with the disinfectant wipes, I start with the bathroom. I wipe down the toilet seat, around the sink, inside the sink, all the knobs, the door handles, and then I make my way out. If there's a kitchen, you want to clean the kitchen, you want to disinfect the kitchen, anything that you touch, you want to disinfect. The next accommodation essential is a travel adapter. Travel adapters are mostly for international destinations, so before you leave for your international trip, check the voltage that's used in that country. The fifth accommodation essential is a first aid kit. And I usually pack a travel size first aid kit that I either get from my local pharmacy or Amazon. You never know if you may cut yourself in the kitchen or burn yourself on something hot. So if it's a minor cut, scrape, or burn, the first aid kit can definitely help with that. The next accommodation essentials are a portable door lock and portable door stopper. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use a portable door lock. And I'm going to use my bathroom door instead of my loft door downstairs because this is more convenient. Now the portable door lock has 2 sizes, and you want to use the appropriate size that fits your door. So I'm going to open the door. And you want to place one of these sizes inside the door, whichever fits. So you want to place it in. Then you want to leave the second piece out. And while that's in, you want to close the door back. And make sure the door clicks. That's how you know the door is locked. Now with this second piece, I'll move you guys so you can see. You want to place this on the side of the doorknob, whatever side is closest to the doorknob, so in the inside. And you want to place it in the hole and press down as far as it can go, right? So now the door is locked. Let me move you guys on this side so you can see. So now let's say someone tries to force entry into your room or your villa or your wherever you're staying, your accommodation where you're staying. So you're going to hear a click first. You're going to hear that. But this second piece is what's jamming the door and not allowing them to come in. You see that? You're going to hear this and you're going to know, oh my gosh, someone is trying to get in my room or, you know, my villa. Let's say they do succeed and push open the door. The next thing that they will hit is the door stopper alarm. So once the door makes contact with the door stopper alarm, an alarm will go off and you will hear it. So you would place the door stopper where a door stopper will be placed. So in the event, let me take out the door lock so you guys can see. So in the event they are successful and they are able to break through your door, it will hit the door stopper alarm and the alarm will go off. Now my alarm is set to off, that's why the alarm isn't sounding, but I'm just showing you an example of what would happen if they do break through the door lock. The next accommodation essential are room slippers. Now these are my hotel slippers that I pack with me every time I travel, because I don't walk around the hotel room or villa or loft barefoot. I don't care how nice or clean the floors look. Look at this nice clean floor. I don't care how clean it looks, because you just never know. And some guys may not pack fuzzy slippers. They may pack, you know, regular slides, and those are just fine. As long as you don't walk on the floor barefoot, that is the main thing.
No, don't do it. Please don't do it.
So I got these from, I believe, eBay or Amazon. I'll link it in my description. And they are very, very comfortable, very soft, very cozy. They don't take up much room in your luggage or your bag. And even if the hotel room or wherever I'm staying has carpet or a rug, I will not walk on the carpet or rug barefoot. I don't care how clean it looks or if it was deep cleaned. I'm not going to walk on the carpet or rug barefoot. Always put on your slippers. The next accommodation essential kind of works hand in hand with room slippers, and that is shower slippers. So with shower slippers, you will avoid getting any kind of fungus in your feet, because you don't want to come home and then your feet and your toes are itching and you're like, why are my feet itching? Why are my toes itching? Because you probably caught fungus from the shower in your hotel room. I just have basic Old Navy, you know, like pool flip-flops. So it doesn't have to be anything fancy. You can get just basic flip-flops from, you know, your local discount store, or, you know, you can go to Walmart, Amazon, of course. But I just use basic Old Navy, you know, pool flip-flops. And these work perfectly fine. They don't slip. They're nice and grippy. So you won't have to worry about slipping and sliding while taking a shower. So shower slippers, very, very, very important. More important than walking on the bare floor, because that's where the fungus grows. Fungus grows in moist, damp areas, and you don't want to have fungus when you come back home. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please don't forget to like and share. And let me know if you currently use any of these accommodation essentials. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Provocation, c'est ça qui commence la pagaille. Imitation, c'est ça qui commence la pagaille.